9 months later, the baby is coming. Is that Nak? What is she going to do?
Oh, it hurts.
What's happening? Are you okay?
No, I can't stand it. Oh,
Calm down.
help me.
Oh my God, what should I do?
You must go to find someone who can help me.
Yes, I got it. Blick can help you to give birth.
Sorry, please hurry up. It hurts too much.
I'm going now. Blick, hurry up please, the baby is coming.
Who is coming?
Nark's baby.
Oh, really? Wait a minute. I have to get my stuff.
Hurry.
I know. I'm coming as quickly as I can. Where is she?
This way. Nark, are you okay?
No, please help me.
Okay, I'm helping.
How should I do? Oh, it's such a dead pain.
You should calm down and breathe in and out slowly. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, push! 1, 2, 3, push! 1, 2, 3, push! Harder! 1, 2, 3, push! 1, 2, 3, push! 1, 2, 3, push! Oh my God! She's dead!
What should we do?
We should take her to the temple.
I'm not going.
You should go to rest in peace.
Yes. Go and rest in peace, Nark.
No, I will wait for my husband here.
But you're already dead. You can't live with the human.
Shut up, Sai. Go away.
I will tell Mark.
Stop thinking to do that. If you don't stop, I will kill you.
She won't do anything. Let's go, Soy.